Hi everyone, in front of me I've got Google Pixel 5a and let me share with you how to update apps on this device. So first of all, before we will start anything, just make sure that you've got the internet connection, and I highly recommend to use the Wi-Fi instead of mobile data, and then we can enter the Play Store. Of course, you will have to sign in. If you've got the Google account currently added to your device, then you will be automatically signed. If not, you will have to do it right now, and then let's tap on this circle, which is basically your account. Now let's tap on Manage Apps and Device and enter Manage. And as you can see right here, we've got the list of all installed apps, and in order to check the updates, we have to tap on Updates Available. And as you can see, unfortunately, we are unfortunately not up to date. We've got 42 updates pending, so basically all we have to do is to simply mark those which we would like to download. And of course, if you want, you can mark all of them or only one or two. So I'll pick Google Chrome, for example, Google Drive and Google Maps. Then let's simply tap on this update icon. And as you can see, the updates will be downloaded, and after that they will be successfully installed and the apps will be automatically updated. So basically you don't have to do anything more, just wait. So basically that's all. This is how to update the apps in your Google Pixel 5a. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.